Hey guys, let's talk about minimalism. So recently I was doing dishes, and this chore itself was really frustrating to me. There's 3 people that live in my household, and I feel like every single day I'm doing a ton of dishes, and it's frustrating. So this sparked an entire process for me of embracing not quite full minimalism, but an element of minimalism. Over the next 5 weeks, I'm going to take you on a journey, and if you choose to join along, awesome. But every single week, we're going to declutter and organize one room of my house, ending with our finances. So it's going to be a 5-week journey. I hope you're excited. This week, we're starting with the kitchen. Specifically today, the spice jars. So this is currently how I store my spices. It sucks, it's inefficient, it's really hard to find stuff. So I've got these little round jars, which you can find on Amazon. I got mine from Bed Bath & Beyond and probably overpaid. In fact, I know I overpaid. But regardless, I wanted to get this project done today. So if you're trying to be budget friendly, Amazon.com. And then we got some chalkboard labels that will go around each of these with the spice that's in the jar. So for that, you just need one of these little bistro chalk markers. So it's pretty simple. And let's get busy and do this. Came from Walmart, but this is essentially all my Crystal Lights and my beverages, some oatmeal packets, and then a little bit of snacks, which we are running low on. But that way you can just pull it right out and start to get quick access to what you need. And I love my vitamins. These little jars I got from the dollar store. They were super cheap. I wouldn't say they're the highest quality, but they do the job. And then of course I wrote with my chalkboard marker on that. Down here is my supplements, my proteins, and then all of my gains. So pre-workouts, intra-workouts, that kind of stuff. And then a little section for potatoes and sweet potatoes as well. And then of course the bread basket. And I'm low on my cookies, but these are Oreo salted caramel thins. They're so freaking good. And then of course oatmeal, flour, cereals, and all of the oils and balsamics. So for the pantry, Patrick's being a jerk, so I have to hold him or he's gonna yell. it really didn't need a ton of changes, but what we did do is we got rid of some stuff that we didn't actually use that often. And like the mason jars were down here, and I can't reach the bowls are on the top shelf. So just doing some basic reorganizing. And yeah, I mean, it's a lot more functional, and now everything has a place, and I'm feeling pretty happy about it. Cool. Are you happy about it too? You're never happy.